What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're gonna go do some hood rat stuff. So right now I am meeting up with a buddy of mine. Since he is riding solo, I'm riding solo, makes sense to ride together and head over to the spot. It's about 45 minutes away, and tonight's gonna be fun. I hope so. Right now I'm waiting for him to pull up to his pad because he is actually driving back from a different meet in a different city. I was supposed to attend that as well too, but I was working on my brother's car and kind of lost track of time. So once he pulls up, we'll jump in with him, and then we're gonna head on out of here straight to the meetup spot. Oh, you got Hey, your shit sound crazy, bro. Right off. Hella crazy. What's up, my guy?
Yeah, but that's just yeah, too much, man. 45 all of a sudden. Like 16 D's over here. Oh boy, Dana. Oh shit, hey, I'm reporting this time, Jordan. I'm reporting this.
I'm sorry it's so dark, guys. I didn't bring my other camera. It was good. It's good seeing you guys. It was good. Man, I don't know how you guys can see with that. It's so dark. Well, first round's out of the way. Yeah, they
got better shit. No, they're turning around, bro. They're
no, they just turned their shit off. No, he flipped.
Oh, he's busting it. Oh, all right.
Alright.
Go home. I'm in the truck. I'm going this way.
Come on, you guys got more important things to do. We're being safe out here.
For reals. Fuck.
All right, guys, so we're actually headed to the second spot right now.
Whoever gets a 2 gets the buy.
Hey, Lori, down for me?
You got the fucking buy.
Buy to the finals!
Yeah, what he's saying has kind of sense though, but
Yeah,
No,
I mean,
no,
because I'm not even racing.
That's why I didn't ask for nothing in the first place, right?
Yes.
But and this all was based on the fact that I did a fucking test pass, but you guys told me to do a
All right, hey,
lap.
how about you 3 drivers discuss it between you guys? How about that?
And you're gonna cry to the end, you know what I mean?
I didn't cry. No cry, no cry, no cry, no cry. No, it's crying, no
Look
crying.
at the fucking post. If you know how to read, nigga, it says right
No,
there.
it doesn't.
It's cool,
Show
it's
it to me.
Dude, it doesn't matter. He said it
Show me the
now.
post.
Now we're gonna get mad.
It
Bro,
says
he
show
said
me
no
the post.
test it. You left the line pretty hard for not testing it.
No, the thing is that we said that even the buy run, like
you
the
go
buy
off
run.
of what your
Make
car
it make
measures
sense,
on the
bro.
fucking the odometer, not oh I finished in 4th. If your car can finish in 4th, his can finish in top of 3rd or top of 4th or maybe even going into 5th. You can't measure that shit on a fucking tranny, bro.
No. What
I'm
he's
just
saying is
saying,
right. He's
the
saying
way
right.
he flagged,
Because I
that's how
heard
we
you.
really.
Yeah, hey, you know what? You
I
know what?
already bumped him in.
Just rerun it. I'm right here. Hey, just don't take too long. If you get bumped in first, so just re-race that shit.
Heads up, same way. This time, we'll give him
putting rounds after rounds on my car.
we're
Getting buy after buy. Now we have a light technicality. I left on the light. 2-step was on both cars. You ran
No,
back.
my 2-step wasn't on.
No one has ID.
Your car
Nah.
was
I
revving
got-
high. When I was bumping him in, your car was revving
My
high.
VTEC is locked,
Because
so
I
it
remember
sounds like it's on
bumping him in,
2-step,
I'm like, why
but
is he
my
on
2-step's on
I
7.
told him don't get on 2-step yet.
Your VTEX lock?
Yeah.
That wasn't the post. It said no lock.
Fucking
Hey, I had only one power adder. Hey, so could we just get this shit out the way and come to an agreement what you guys want to do? Come on. What you guys want to do? And honestly, it all depends on the driver and the flagger.
We'll give you time to cool your car down.
Twist rules in somebody's favor, you know what I mean? I'm sorry, your car is fast anyways.
So is this a flipping a coin for a rerun?
I would say, what if you race Giovanni and then he just goes to the finals?
Fuck it.
If he agrees, you gotta make sure the other driver agrees.
Is that fair to you? Giovanni, you cool with that?
If we get a car in the
Hey, what happened to only one buy? How come
Because it got a technicality by.
competition buy?
Technicality buy.
Technicality, it's just hella unorganized.
I think it's fair that he races him and then he races whoever the winner.
The winner,
of the final.
yeah.
That's my personal opinion.
You want it to hold you?
Should've gave us more than a fucking car.
Oh, the kid on the car?
Come on, dog. You should've gave us the hit too. Yeah. I mean, what do you expect? It's an all motor K, you know? We already knew. You already know. You know what I mean?
race. This is 2 built K-Series Supercharged red hatch black Integra. That shit about to get spicy right now.
That's a fucking race. We gonna find out. That's a fucking race. All right.
Battle wounds. Hey, I'm about to do a gender reveal burnout right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Shit, let's go.